again, and today I have for you a weird sort of a video. Since this pandemic hit now, I've been struggling so much. I've been thinking so much about the products, nail art products that have been out of stock since then, and how much they were a part of my nail art routine and how much I miss them. Now, the reason I'm making this video is just to let the Indian nail polish market know that what we need, what is missing, and yeah, that's the title of the video: the nail art products missing in Indian nail art market. Now, before we jump into the video and I talk about the products more, I just want to say that कि ऐसा नहीं है कि these products are not available in the Indian market, but my problem with them is that कि either they are out of stock since the pandemic, क्योंकि एक्सपोर्ट इम्पोर्ट सब रुक चुका है. दे आर करेंटली स्टिल अवेलेबल इन देयर ओरिजिन कंट्री, बट इंडिया में दे आर आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. And secondly, even if you get them on somewhere, some online website or something, their prices are sky high, and that's not even their MRP, close to MRP. 200 का product you are getting on Amazon for 2000 to 5000 rupees. मतलब 200 का इतना सा product 5000, who's gonna pay for that, right? So that's my only worry. They're still available, their dupes or their variants, but I want Indian nail polish companies to come up with these products so that they never get out of stock and we can get them in reasonable price, right? So I have a few products list. ऐसे कोई particular number नहीं है मेरे पास, but I'm just gonna talk about कि what I really want from Indian nail polish market. So I guess this is enough of an intro. मैंने सब कुछ समझा दिया है. Let's just jump into the video and see which products are giving me headache. Starting with the first product, and it's sort of a no-brainer. When it comes to nail polish, this is sort of a very needed product. If you're a nail artist now, you would know the importance of this. Yes guys, I'm talking about a cleanup brush. It's such a basic tool, right? Because when I see US ka nail art companies, Canada ka nail art companies, even if you take Simply Nail Logical ka company, Holo Toco, they have their own cleanup brush. Come on, it's such a necessity. Or India mein what we use a crafts brush. Let me show you. Yes guys, this is what I use. This is what I have to use, because Indian nail polish market mein kahin bhi cleanup brush nahi hai. Now this sort of works, sort of does not, and that's because it's pretty wide and it has too many bristles, so it's pretty thick. A cleanup brush has to be so thin so that it can go around your cuticle without wiping half of your polish from your nail, and this is what this does. कई बार तो ऐसा होता है कि मैं एक नेल आर्ट बनाने बैठी हूँ और मुझे बेस पॉलिशेज ही कम से कम 2 बार चेंज करनी पड़ती हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लीन अप प्रॉब्लम. My sister got me one from US. It lasted for a while, and that time I was having absolutely no problem with my base. But since the time I have to switch to crafts brush, it's causing me a lot of problems. So I really urge companies who are actually into nail polish and nail art tools and nail art stuff, please guys, come up with a good cleanup brush. Alright guys, moving on to the next product. Now this product I've been ranting about from so long, I can't even remember. Yes guys, you guessed it right, it's a quick dry top coat. Since the Wet n Wild one went out of stock pandemic ke time se, I've been struggling so much to keep my mani from getting those bedsheet marks, getting smudged, getting those ruches or anything like that. Oh my god. See, I know there are some companies who have quick dry top coats, but they have something or the other problem in them that they don't even come close to the Wet n Wild one. I want any Indian nail polish companies to take a back step when it comes to polishes, because पॉलिशेस की ना सैचुरेशन सी आ गई है, कोई नया कॉन्सेप्ट ला नहीं रहा एक दो कंपनीज के अलावा. सो आई रियली वांट सम कंपनी टू टेक अ स्टेप बैक ऑन पॉलिशेस एंड थिंक अबाउट top coats and base coats and different type of top coats, if I should say that, and bring us a good quick dry top coat with made in India label. Yeah, that's what I want them to do, without any shrinkage problem, without any liquidy problem, or without falsely marketing it as quick dry top coat. It should be quick dry means quick dry. I really want some Indian nail polish company to think about it and bring us a good quick dry top coat which won't go out of stock, and we will get it in reasonable price. The third product that I'm going to talk about is, again, I've been ranting out for quite a long while, and it's again a top coat, that is no smudge top coat. Yes guys, like I've used just 2 no smudge top coats, और दोनों बाहर के हैं और एक तो अवेलेबल भी नहीं है, और एक का प्राइस तो I'm not gonna pay like this much price for a top coat इतनी सी बॉटल का. So I really want some Indian nail polish company, again I urge them, I request them, please bring a no smudge top coat for people like me who love stamping and cannot do so without a gel top coat because everything else just smudges my design. वैसे side note, there might be something in the Indian market coming pretty soon. Keep a watch on that, okay? So yeah, that's the third product that I've been struggling with so much, and I want some Indian nail polish company to bring it. It's missing in Indian nail polish market, and I want some company to just get it done already. The next product that I'm gonna talk about is very specific, okay? मैंने इसके बारे में कुछ टाइम पहले एक स्टोरी भी डाली थी asking you guys कि if you have any suggestion, you know any such polish in the Indian market, because I really wanted one. And the polish that I'm talking about is actually a topper. This one, Sally Hansen का Pixel Perfect. Somewhere along the lines of this one, मतलब I did use this top coat back in the days when I started my Instagram account. I'll pop up some pictures and oh man, I was in love. That was instant love on sight, you know. एंड जब से वो ख़त्म हुई है, सैली हैंसन है, बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती है. सैली हैंसन के प्रोडक्ट्स भी थोड़े बहुत मिल भी जाएँ इधर उधर, बट particularly if you want some product, you struggle a lot. And I really want some company to bring up this salt and pepper sort of topper ना, because मैंने जब स्टोरी डाली थी मुझे बहुत लोगों ने सजेस्ट किया, and those were like cookie crumble polishes. They were not toppers, like salt and pepper toppers नहीं थे, वो cookie crumble polishes थी basically. So please some Indian nail polish company big some good toppers, because hollow toppers हो गए, iridescent toppers हो गए, gold toppers हो गए, copper toppers हो गए, silver toppers हो गए. Please bring one salt and pepper topper too, because I would really love to buy it paying the full price. The next product that I'm going to talk about is not particularly I'm interested in, but I just want to mention it since there is no sign of any such product in Indian nail polish market, और दूर दूर तक मुझे ऐसे दिखाई भी नहीं देता कि in coming 2-3 years ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है, and that is gel polishes. Now I don't particularly use gel polishes, but yeah I do use gel top coat for certain nail art, जिसके लिए gel top coat के बिना काम ही नहीं चलेगा. And there are certain nail arts that I really want to recreate, but उसके लिए gel polishes चाहिए. Now ऐसा नहीं है कि जेल पॉलिशेस यहाँ मिलती नहीं है इंडिया में, बट अगेन दे आर फ्रॉम फॉरेन कंपनीज, देयर प्राइसेस आर टू हाई. समटाइम्स यू गेट देम, समटाइम्स यू डोंट गेट देम. इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर्स पे अवेलेबल है, कभी इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर्स बंद हो गए, एंड यू वांट द पॉलिशेस. बहुत हेडेक है यू गाइज. सो आई रियली वांट सम इंडियन नेल पॉलिश कंपनीज टू ब्रिंग सम बेसिक जेल पॉलिशेस, इफ not the whole range, maybe a gel top coat, a gel base coat, some basic colors, white, black, red, green. So at least we can give them a try, जो कि जेल पॉलिश से दूर भी भागते ना कि यार बहुत कॉस्टली है, बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट है, यूज़ करनी नहीं आती. Maybe they can also give a try since it's available in India for lower prices, I believe. So I'm not particularly interested in gel polishes, but yeah gel basic products, base coat, top coat मिल जाते तो बहुत से nail arts ऐसे हैं जिसे मुझे देख के लगता है यार मुझे I really want to do them. But again I'm stuck. I don't have access to good gel nail polishes for reasonable prices. The next thing that I'm gonna talk about is something like, oh my god, like I really want Indian nail polish market to come up with it. I'll be the first buyer of it, hands down. If you guessed it right. Yes guys, is stamping stuff. Right from stamping plates to scraper to stamper to stamping polishes, right? Because I am literally bored of seeing those same floral or valentines or this and that stamping plates कि कभी कभी ना मेरा स्टैम्पिंग करने का मन ही नहीं करता. लाइक आई एम सेइंग मेरा स्टैम्पिंग करने का मन नहीं करता. आई एम अ स्टैम्पिंग फ्रीक यू गाइज. और व्हेन आई सी मैन्युलॉजी और व्हाट्सअप नेल्स और दिस दैट ब्रिंगिंग जॉस का प्लेट, जुरासिक पार्क का प्लेट, मिनियंस का प्लेट, अभी दे लॉन्च्ड आई बिलीव सम गमी बियर्स का प्लेट. एंड आई वाज लाइक डूड क्या मैं बस यहाँ बैठ के और उन्हें देखती रहूँगी? आई एम नेवर गोना गेट दीज प्लेट्स ऑन इन माई हैंड्स एंड वर्क विद दीज. So I really want some Indian nail polish company or anyone just take notice of this and bring us those plates, those good quality stamping polishes, those stampers, so that we can also create nail arts that we see on Instagram na foreigners create kar rahe hain. And I really get sad seeing those nail arts ki I wish I had those plates और मैं भी बना पाती. So that is one thing that I really want Indian nail polish market to take notice of and bring us that. Again, I'll be the first buyer of that, hands down. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the last product that I'm gonna talk about, and that is cuticle oils or cuticle care stuff. Like cuticle oils, cuticle creams, or cuticle butter, or things like that. Now I know there are certain Instagram stores which have these products, but again I have certain problems with them. The first being they are not 24/7 available, like पूरा year they are not available. Particular time के लिए ही वो होते हैं and you have to stock up like that time. But हो सकता है कि that time I don't have access to them, और उस time I have overgone my budget already or something like that, so I cannot buy them. So I want some Indian nail polish company to bring up some good cuticle care products, because I have used quite a few nail oils in my whole 7-8 years का journey, and I always switch back to that bottle of Bliss Kiss. मतलब मैं उसको इतना संभाल के रखती हूँ, just one drop I take every night कि वो मुझे longer period तक last करे. My sister got it for me. Why I go back to it? Because Indian nail polish market में कोई अच्छा nail cuticle oil है ही नहीं. I really want someone to take notice and bring those pens ना, brush वाले pens, different scents, different products, so that we also get to get into a habit of doing cuticle care, because we have products available at reasonable price all the time. So guys, yes, this is it for this video. Like these were the products I feel are missing in Indian nail polish market, which can like overall improve the work quality of Indian nail artists. In case you know any Indian nail polish company that has already come up with these products and I don't know about them, please mention them in the comments down below, and also mention your suggestions. What do you think Indian nail polish market is still missing? Okay, I would love to hear from you. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell to stay notified for new content. And as I always say, and I guess I have to keep saying this for a while, maintain social distancing, stay safe, be kind to the animals around you, keep yourself hydrated, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye bye.